Walking roads that feel too wide, shadows linger where I stand, memories slipping through my hands. Every step feels like a mile. I chase the sun but lose the smile. Cold winds, they cut me deep, whispering secrets I can't keep. I feel the storm has left me bare, a quiet soul in frozen air. Cold winds, they remind me still of broken roads and iron will. Falling leaves beneath my feet, every heartbeat echoes defeat. The sky is gray, but stars are near. I find my courage through the fear. And though the cold surrounds my heart, I know it's just the start. The frost will fade, the sun will rise. I'll find my fire in the skies. Cold winds, they cut me deep, whispering secrets I can't keep. I feel the storm has left me bare, a quiet soul in frozen air. Cold winds, they remind me still of broken roads and iron will, Cold winds, but I'm cold winds, but I'm alive, whispering secrets I can't keep. I feel the storm has left me bare, a quiet soul in front.